The interactive checkboxes function on Google Docs allows you to put checkboxes into your classwork assignments that the students can actually check off and use as they go. There are many ways that you might use this in a classwork assignment. I've given you 2 examples here so you can see kind of how this might look in your assignment. The first one is for directions, and I use this all the time for directions. It's a very easy way to get students engaged with them, make sure they're reading them, and give them an easy function to make sure that they complete all of their work. So this is one example of how the directions might look. So this was instructions for an overpopulation game sort of situation that the students were doing. So they would go down and they'd say, okay, the first step is to find a partner. Did I find my partner? Okay, let's go ahead and check that box, and it crosses it off for them. And they can do that, check and uncheck as they go to make sure that they complete all of their work. The second example here is sort of a check off as you go situation. In this particular example, they were labeling maps with different geographic features and regions. So same kind of thing. Okay, they've labeled the Sahara Desert, that's first on the list. They found it, they labeled it, they check it off, and it goes away. So this is just 2 examples. I'm sure you can think of many ways that this might be helpful in your classwork assignments. So how do you do them? When you go down and you start typing your list, so I'm just gonna write step 1, step 2, so that we can have an example list there. So you highlight them and you go up here and you click on this little checklist button. You can also click Control-Shift-9. That's the shortcut, works either way. Once you start using checkboxes, as you move down, you will automatically get them, and then you just hit the backspace button to get rid of them. So that is it. It's really that easy. If you print these out, they just look like regular boxes, so the students working on hard copy can just check them off manually as they go. I hope this helps in your classroom.